Hey guys, what's going on? Brian with Ivy Shoot and Train here. Gonna try something a little bit different. We just created a YouTube channel and we're gonna post this first video on YouTube, which relates to an article of a press release we just came across and posted to our website. So go ahead and go to our YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and share this video, and so we can start spreading the message, especially when it comes to stuff going on within Nevada and firearms industry and community. This first one is a press release we came across from Polymer80, which is a manufacturer of 80% lowers and serialized pistols. Polymer80 is taking Nevada and Governor Sisolak to court over the recent passage of AB 286, which pretty much outlaws all unserialized firearms. I believe it was after 1967 or 68, 69, somewhere in there. Every firearm since after that, according to the new Nevada law, would have to have a serial number on it. And for those of you that don't know, it isn't the end of the world. If you already have one and you don't want to get rid of it and you don't want to become an instant criminal, if this law does stand after these lawsuits that are filed by Polymer80 and another one that was filed by Firearms Policy Coalition, you can get your unserialized receiver or pistol or firearm serialized just by going to a company that does customization and laser engraving, such as LV Laser Engraving is one of the ones that I know of that is actively marketing that they are doing that. So there is a way you can do it. They do NFA engraving. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get back into the basis of this article and this lawsuit. Polymer80, a Dayton, Nevada-based company, which is in Lyon County, has filed an emergency action against Governor Sisolak in the state of Nevada, challenging the constitutionality of Nevada Assembly Bill 286, also known aka AB 286. They filed a verified complaint with an emergency application for an order to show cause and related motion for a temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction to bar enforcement of this new and unfortunate law. Excuse me. The Polymer80 says they were forced to take this extraordinary action because, among other reasons, AB 286, which was hastily and improvidently written and enacted, purports to curtail and criminalize products that are legal to own under federal law, and it does so through vague and unintelligible proscriptions. At its core, AB 286 strips lawful citizens of Nevada of their basic constitutionally protected rights and targets corporations such as Polymer80 for lawful activities that greatly contribute to the Nevada economy and support the rights of Nevadans. The verified complaint was filed on June 22nd in the District Court of Lyon County. It seeks declaratory and injunctive relief, clarifying that AB 286 violates the Nevada state constitution as unduly vague and thus deprives Nevadans of life, liberty, and property without due process of law. Polymer80's motion for temporary restraining order was filed on June 25th and would ban enforcement of the new and unlawful legislation while the court determines the company's related request for a preliminary injunction. Excuse me. The preliminary injunction sought would stop the state of Nevada from enforcing AB 286 while the verified complaint remains pending. Ultimately, the verified complaint, Polymer80 is pursuing permanent injunction to forever prohibit the state from enforcing AB 286. On June 25th, upon filing of Polymer80's motions, a Lyon County District Judge ordered the defendants, which is the state of Nevada and Governor Sisolak, to file any written opposition to the motion for temporary restraining order and injunction on or before July 6th, and he set a hearing for July 14th on the temporary restraining order. A statement from David Borges, CEO of Polymer80, states, "We are absolutely committed to fighting this new and unconstitutional legislation. AB 286 is vague, unlawful, and targets our company specifically for conducting a lawful business." That's it for their press release. We'll keep you updated. We will follow this case as it goes through the courts, and we'll hopefully post a new update on July 14th or thereafter, after we get some information on what happened during the court date. So go ahead and, like I said earlier, go ahead and subscribe to our new YouTube channel. Like this video, share it, be prepared, be informed, get trained, stay trained, have fun, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.